guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an unboxing from a brand that I've been currently loving, that's on my radar, and I'm just so excited that I'm finally really getting into because I feel like it's Longchamp. Obviously you can tell by the title, but I've been loving Longchamp lately and I feel like I'm really late to the game, but I'm happy that I'm now in the Longchamp game. So a couple of weeks ago, I showed that I had bought my mom for Mother's Day the small energy tote, which came in a crossbody. So for reference, I have the large one. It is currently filled with all my work items because I love it. I honestly love it. It transitions so easily if I'm going out after, meeting friends after work. I mean, it's just a great handbag. So I can wear it for work, I can wear it after, I can use it on the weekends, I can use it for traveling. And like I said, the Energy line is my preferred, I guess, Le Pliage line because I know they have the green as well as the regular and then this Energy line. So I did a little bit of shopping and I got something from the Holt Renfrew sale. So a couple of weeks ago, no, last week or so, I showed that I had picked up the Ferragamo hug bag, which I ended up returning. And thank you so many of you that were, very honest in your recommendations of what I should do. You should try it on with something in the handbag and see how heavy it is then. And I felt like it was a workout for my shoulder. However, I ended up finding this on the sale a couple of days later, which when I originally looked at the sale, because I had private access, there weren't a lot of Longchamp items available. Ooh, this is so hard to get out. However, now there are quite a few. So I will link the Holt Renfrew sale down below. I do love Holt Renfrew. It's a Canadian brand, but they do ship to the States, I believe. So here is the box. Let's open her up. I have not seen this item yet. Well, that's kind of a lie. So I have. But I ended up picking up the Energy pouch, which, okay, I lie. In my video where I showed this one here, I had shown me going in store and checking out the whole Longchamp setup because they had recently in Vancouver, at least, they have a Longchamp section now, which is really nice. Before it was just kind of like the bags thrown together in a very small little stand, but now there's a whole wall with Longchamp items. And I had seen this and I told you guys, I said, if you're gonna get the pouch, this one here, to instead get the Energy pouch. So we're gonna compare the two. I got this on sale. So this is regular $260. I believe I got this for I wanna say $170, but like I said, I will link it down below. Let me check right now. Okay, I lied. This was $182 Canadian from $260, which is still an amazing price. Again, Canadian dollars for this. So I think that this is just such a better option. I love this. Don't get me wrong. She is cute. She is small. She is functional. But when you look at the difference in the size, this one is bigger. So if you found that this one just wasn't quite big enough for you, I think that this is going to be perfect. Let's just go through this. Again, this is in the color Verbena, which I showed originally and I was like, oh, I don't really like the color. If it came in black, I get it. If this came in black, if I had the option between the black and the Verbena, I definitely take the black. But now, after like looking at it a couple more times online before I purchased this, I was like, okay, I do like the color. I think in store at Holt Renfrew, it kind of skews it because they have a lot of artificial lights. But I'm seeing this now, I'm like, I like this color. It's so cute. So again, the Energy line, so much better. So this fabric is really kind of like, it's lightweight, but again, it's kind of flimsy. The Energy line, I've showed this multiple times now, but the Energy line, the actual fabric is thicker. You can see like the lines of the fabric, the grain of the fabric is what I want to say last time, but you can actually see the texture of the fabric. It's just more resistant, resilient, hardy, and durable than I'd say this original one. The weight difference between these two, I mean, they feel pretty much the same for this one being bigger. And then the leather is also different as well. Like my large tote, it has this really kind of sporty detail. So if you are into that sporty look like I very much am, like the athleisure, then I think you'll like this. It says Longchamp there. It's rubberized so that no water can get in. And then it has this cool little detail with the Longchamp logo there. So it's a little bit different, as you can see, from this one. This one's just like an elevated version of this. And then on the inside, so this is what amazes me, because when I first looked at this pouch a couple of months ago, I was like, okay, so much better, because the inside has a really large flat pocket here with, again, just the Longchamp details. But in addition, it has a zippered pocket. So I feel like you don't even need an organizer. I know some people are buying organizers for this, which to me seems a little bit strange because this bag in itself is so teeny tiny. Sometimes an organizer can make it smaller in its capacity, but this has a zippered pocket, which, hello, love, and as well a large pocket on the back. So comparing it to this little one, here, the inside of this one, whoops, it was already open, is because it is a cosmetic pouch, it does have that rubber lining, but there's nothing on the inside. Like, it is just bare bones, teeny tiny, nothing in there. Whereas, like I said, this one, it's not lined. I mean, it's the same fabric. Oh my gosh, there's a pocket. There's another pocket. I didn't even realize that. There's a pocket on the inside. So it's almost like a miniature version of this pouch here, or this tote here. Okay, I didn't know that there was another pocket here. So there's a pocket on the one side, a really large pocket here, and then a zippered pocket. Okay, so much smarter. And so this just, I mean, this pocket in itself, let me show you my cell phone. I always forget what I have, the iPhone 16 Pro. Let's just see if it fits in the back pocket, because I know in my tote bag it does. I have to get this out of the way. Yes, and I have a case on my phone, and it just fits perfectly. Do you see that in the back there? And I mean, I could even take this tote and I can fit it in. So this one, like comparing, like I said, the dimensions, this one to me just makes more sense. And you can also do the little conversion strap. So I got this off Amazon, as you can see here, and it came with a strap so that I can wear it as a little crossbody. Looking at the size, this I think is the same. Let me see. It might be a tiny bit bigger. This part on here, let me show maybe the back. So the leather here seems like it might be a tiny bit bigger. Let me just see if this one fits on for reference. I know the color match is going to be completely off, but let me see if this little conversion strap will fit on. Reference, the little Amazon conversion kit fits perfectly on this. Okay, so, which means that you can easily turn this into a crossbody bag or a shoulder bag. You just need to go on Amazon. I will link this one down below. Obviously, it's not the right color, but I did want to show you for reference that you can wear this as a little crossbody bag if you want to. So between the two, this one is far superior. I would 100% recommend this, especially if you can get this on sale right now. It's such a good deal. I mean, it's only, I think this is about 140, and if you get this for 180, I mean, the price difference is nominal, and I think for what you're getting, this is just like more durable. I think it's a better look. It's way more spacious. You can get the conversion kit so you can wear it as a little crossbody. This one, I think you can even fit, yeah, this one fits really easily in the crook of your arm if you want to carry it like that. Whereas this one here is like, it's tighter. It's a smaller kind of handle drop, I guess you would say. And again, for reference, the size difference, this one will just carry so much more. So if you're thinking that this one was just a little bit too small for you and you're hesitant about it, I think that this, even at full price, is better. So again, in there, I currently have my phone in the back pocket. And just to show you what fits, I have my small Louis Vuitton key pouch that can go in there. I have my Louis Vuitton pocket organizer. I'm just pulling right from my work bag. I have my mini pochette, which, okay, like this small little energy pouch fits so much. My pochette's in there. I have my 6 keyring holder. I have mints. I mean, I have gum. This fits so much. It is, you know what? Like, this is my first time playing around with it. I am so impressed. And it looks good too. Like, it doesn't warp. The thing about the energy line is it holds its shape really nicely. I'm so happy with this one. So like I said, this one is currently full. Let me show you what I can pull from this pouch and put into this little cosmetic pouch, because it will definitely be a lot less, which again, if you don't need to carry a lot, this is still a cute option. So I'm pulling, like I said, straight from that energy pouch. Does this fit my, okay, so it fits my small Louis Vuitton key pouch, but now, it's pretty slim in there. I could probably fit, let's say, my wallet, so that pocket organizer can fit, and then my gum can fit, and I don't know, maybe, let's try and see if I can get my key in there somehow. I might need to shift things around, and again, with the other energy pouch, I really didn't have to fiddle around. Okay, so I think that this is now at the max. Let's see if this closes. It does close, and it still looks cute. It still looks really cute, but that is the max. So in here, I still have my mini pochette. I have some mints, and I have my phone. So this one just holds so much more. So again, it really depends on the size. They're both really cute options. I just think the energy pouch is the way to go, and the energy line is the way to go in general, just because the look of it is a little bit cooler to me. The fabric makes a huge difference, because this one, again, is just more durable, and the essay also said that the energy fabric is more durable. And the rubberized kind of Longchamp zipper is just a really cool added touch. I do really like that. So and this also has silver hardware always. So I would highly recommend both, but if I had to choose one, I would now choose the energy tote. And I think that this one will also be really good for when I travel, because I can also put my camera in here. Whereas this one, my camera will definitely not fit. I know my camera would fit in here. This one would probably even fit a water bottle, like a small water bottle would 100% fit in here. So really happy to get this. I will link this down below. Like I said, I got mine from Holt Renfrew and it was on sale, but I know that they have them practically everywhere. I know Nordstrom has them. I know on the Longchamp site it's available. So I just wanted to do a quick comparison between the two of these, so that way you're able to see the difference, and now you can decide which one suits your lifestyle better. But highly recommend both. Probably this one more. Better bang for the buck with this guy. But if you have any questions, please leave them down below, and I will see you in my next video.